Hi, I am Mona, and if my professors are watching this, I'm Mohini Sharma and I make art. Ever since as a child, I've always been interested in drawings. For the longest time, I've always thought that my channel needs a category, but my muddled up mind does not follow into one. So I do this, and everything. And the whole journey has a wild ride. From little doodles into my notebook to big paintings, I have done it all. So, if you are into art, chill vibes, or creative chaos, hit down the subscribe button, share with your friends, and let's grow, learn, and create something amazing together. Bye!